Hey, how's it going guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teaching you how to debug WebAssembly with mscripten. Up to now we have seen small demos of various mscripten features without too much complexity or chance of error. But when you're starting on something more practical, mscripten compile time error won't be enough. So let's see few simple functions for debugging runtime code both for C code and at JavaScript level, or remove this log message, head back to string.c, which will do for this lesson, but add a new function in which we can log some debug message and return an integer get number, again containing a single variable of type int num equals 22, which it returns. Now let's say for argument's sake, when calling this function we don't get the expected return we want trigger. The JavaScript debugger, right before this return empty script in debugger, remember even when writing this C code, this will get compiled to JavaScript, meaning we can use the browser dev tools to catch a standard debugger breakpoint, which is exactly what this will emerge when call save and recompile this. Get rid of this memory option and add new function get number done. Restart the server, reload the browser. First we do underscore get string. It works fine, just showing the memory location of the string. And if we call get number, the browser catches the JavaScript debugger breakpoint, which gets emitted by mscripten debugger, where we can step into over or resume the code or needed completing with the 22 being returned. This is of course being an extremely simple example, but nonetheless very easy breakpoint triggering straight from our readable C code. The next and simpler function is basic logging out our C code. Now you might be thinking we can already log stuff using printf, but using the script in log will allow us to both set the log level, include the stack trace in our log message. For example, in this get number function, let's say if number is less than 30, again being some hypothetical condition on which we might want to log. Call mscripten in log with the log level as first argument. These log levels then being simple integer flag defined by mscripten. I'll link in the description below. For example, to log a JavaScript warning, mlog warning with the second argument being the string in the same format as printf, meaning we can pass argument placeholder in the string. I'll just say num. Recompile, restart the server, reload the module in the browser, and this time when I call get number with num obviously being less than 30, we get warning as per our log level flag with the stack trace being included. So nothing too fancy, but basic debugging that should suffice for getting to the root of most WASM error.